Hey guys, well it's probably about 3:30 in the morning now. I went to Terrigal in search of the cut, found the cut, and been there half the night. So I've been there from 10, 11, 12, 1. Okay, so let's just have a look at this here. Good old, had a run on the old zippers, and I found all these down where the rings should have been too. So, you know, they should have been right up the top, but they were right down the bottom. Fish hooks, a couple of keys, bonnet of a car, sinker, copper pipe, the old hairpin. Looks like a bit of an army sort of do thing. Those scissors. And me one ring. Crud. Oh well, doesn't matter. And then $2 coins. And then dollar coins. 50-cent coins. 20-cent coins. 10-cent coins. 5-cent coins. 2-cent coins, 1-cent coins, threepence, florin, sixpence, penny, half penny, and here's some more I'm still cloning. I like these little 6-packs. What I do is I sort them out in a jar or something, put them all in there for about 20 minutes, and then you can see from these real green ones, you can see pretty shortly whether they're going to be copper or they're going to be silver. And then you can start putting all your silvers in one side, put all your coppers in another side. It's all in there. Clean up a bit. I've got all these ones in oil. It's a stack of 10s and some 20s. And what have we got in here? We've got 5-cent coins and 20-cent coins, 50-cent coins, all from the last 2 weeks away. So I've got a bit of a collection there, cleaning. Stinks in here again. And that's from tonight, Terrigal. About 200 holes. Not a bad night. Alright guys, have a good night. Got to get to bed. See you guys.